Our rooms are ready, so let's go and explore. Welcome aboard. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Lovely beds with a view. We've got TV. Probably there will be a fridge, so let's go and have a look. Yes. Yo. Nice to see kettle. Wardrobe with safe. The other side we've got bathroom. Looks great. And the sofa bed, probably to pull out sofa beds. There is a divider just in case if we would like to let the room, but I think it's lovely. Very, very nice. So guys, finally have our room. It's beautiful and we're really looking forward to start our journey and go to see the Norway.